What's good? It's TimelessRoc with TR Mentality, man. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all own your own shit. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to build a brand as an independent artist. Let's get into the intro. Now, before we go any further in this video, man, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TimelessRoc Music, and also make sure you go ahead and share this video with anybody that can relate and need this information. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say this, man. When we talking about building a brand, this is about building a solid fan base, a solid brand around your name, something that you can live by and something that your audience can resonate with and they can relate to on every single level. In this video, one of the most major things, man, if you one of the people that care so much about likes and you always want likes, you always want so much comments, and you scared to start at the bottom level because you don't want to get 5 likes on your post because you feel embarrassed about it, then this is not going to be for you, because you're going to have to take those steps and you're going to have to start off getting 5 likes. You're going to have to start off getting 1 view on a video. You're going to have to start off getting 10 views, 5 views, and so on and so forth. And that's just how this shit go, man. There's no real cheat codes to go ahead and just shoot to the moon as fast as possible. Now, yes, you can get lucky and you can go viral, but that's not a solid plan to go ahead and build your brand and execute a solid foundation for your music career and for your brand completely. Now, why is building a brand so important? Now, the reason why you gotta build a brand, whether you're a music artist, if you sell clothes, if you do makeup, anything you do, man, it's so important to build a brand, because when you have a brand, there's nothing that you can't do in any industry that you're in. If you're a music artist, you can go ahead and be within the music industry, but what that means is, try to look at it like this. If you go to a music store and there's just a bunch of music in there, you got this artist, you got you, then you got this artist, and then you got another artist. But when you're somebody who have a solid brand, then you are the business and you have a product, which is the music. And that's so important, because going back to that same analogy, if you want to get TimelessRoc music, you got to come into the TimelessRoc store. In that store, you're going to find my music, my YouTube content, my Instagram content, and my TikTok content. And it's so important to realize that you had to come to my store to get that. And when you come to my store, it's a bunch of branches that has so many different products that you as the audience are going to want to buy, because my brand and what I stand for as a person and as an artist is something you believe in and that you resonated with so much that you became a part of this brand. And we speak about this all the time, man. As music artists, nobody cares about your music. Nobody going to just listen to your music because you feel like you're the best music artist in the world. Nobody's going to buy your merch, and nobody's going to buy from your clothing store. Nobody's going to buy anything from you. When they don't know who you are, you have no social proof, they don't feel connected to you, they're not buying anything from you, they're not listening to your music, they're not doing any of that. But when you have a solid brand, they'll buy anything because they feel so connected to you, and anything that's tied to you, they want to be a part of, because you already built their trust and you built that strong connection. And now that you understand this, the key thing to understand that when you're building a brand and when you want to build a successful brand, everybody has something unique about them. Rather it's a personality trait, you might be funny, you might look good, you might be entertaining, and you might be sharing knowledge that resonate with the audience more than anybody else on the platform. And I think a lot of people get confused on what they should post on social media. When it comes to that, man, your target audience is you. What do you search when you on YouTube? What do you search when you on Google? Anything that you're searching, there's other people out there that's just like you, and they're your target audience. If you make content on that and you post every single day, the people are going to find you. YouTube is going to push you in the search engine, and you'll be growing very steadily. This is why y'all have to download this tool I got down below. It's called TubeBuddy. It's a tool that's going to help you find the best titles for your video, the best tags to optimize your videos, and what videos are performing the best with the least amount of competition. I got a free download link down below. It's a Chrome extension, and you could download that today and start growing your YouTube channel faster than everybody on the platform. So make sure you go ahead and download that. So now that I really broke it down for you and I made it so simple for you on how to build a brand on social media, now you just gotta go ahead and put it into action. Content marketing is so powerful. Content marketing will have you all over every platform. So it's so important to go ahead and get on that today, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all on that note. Make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and if you got any questions, make sure you go ahead and comment those down below. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
I've been feeling locked in, leave me all alone. I don't need no shawty on my phone. Baby, I've been needing my alone time. I think you just came up at the wrong time. Boss up from the trenches and I hope you don't forget it. Many man. Try coming for my spot, I'm never giving in. Take off in the chopper, let it rain on them niggas. Let it rain on them niggas, let it rain on them niggas. Fucking up my long time.